Let's do it from the start. Clear. Right. Here we go. We have flash sale from import everything. Right now we already have the orders like this. We order make order. Let's change this one into a complete order, right? Or just false. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I want to see the list of our order. User qua, qua is current user. Okay, user.query.get number 1. Okay, qua.orders dot filter by complete equal to false. I want to see the order that's not complete, the current. Okay, I see one order, and then from that order, I should have named it order equal and then order I dot order I dot items. Okay, it return me a query, and then from that I get all. Okay, I get all, and then from all here I'm gonna run it into my front end or even my back end. I want to see the price of each of them. Okay, let's pick one of them first. Call it bill, right? Okay, bill first item of bill. Then it's a ticket, right? It's a backgraph ticket, receipt. I call it ticket here. So the ticket, the price for the first one, 1,000. Second one should be 1,000. Third one should be 100. Right? Okay. So now we're gonna define an object so that we can send it to our front end, our Ginger or our React, right? So call it response equal to an object here, bam, then response. Yes, I want to introduce you a syntax, a very simple syntax, one lab code to generate an array in Python. Okay, let's call it items equal an array like this, right? And then for item in views. Okay, for item in views, right? For item in view, we are generate something here. We generate an object. For every item is an object. Okay, the first item, just call it name equal item dot ticket dot price dot name.
What is that?
Chun.
It's a cockroach with the dust, right?
Yeah, it's just a dust.
Oh my God, looks like a rat.
It's just small mouse with a dust outside.
Oh, it's a rat.
No, it's like a bunch of dust on the bed. Right.
No, I think in the test, maybe how, where?
It's one to go up into the trash bin. Behind the trash bin, yeah. It's going to the trash bin. Oh my god.
What is that?
So great.
Inside the trash bin. Item.ticket.price.
Oh, so much dust. Alright.
Okay.
봤어? 먹는 거? 귀여워. 잡았어.
That was weird.
Chun.
Was so scared.
So scared.
She's not scared. She wants to run into the class. Try to stop.
Oh.
She always tries to catch me.
So here's one line code to generate an array items. and inside it, every item, every element is an object, right? An object, and that object has two keys: the name and the price. See, the name and the price. What if I hit enter here? Enter, and I'm gonna bring items. See, that's one line of code.
And then you can add that to another object.
Again. Instead of doing 4 item in view and then I append, right? I do it one line like this. I prefer doing this way because very like easy to read,
Yes.
easy to understand. For every item here, you generate an object, and then you get the variable, the key name equal to value name, the key name price equal to value price. That's it. Then you bring items, right? Steven,
Yeah.
this is how we generate an array, a list, one line, and we should be able to do it soon. So here I make an array, a list of items of different elements, right? Of many elements inside. Each element is an object, is a dict, and inside it we have two keys: name and the price, and we get the value from item.ticket, from item.ticket name, go up to here, and then price, same with price. All right, we generate an array, then bring it out. Okay, we got an array like that, and now we have to put it inside our, and also total. We have item now. We need total equal to can I do it one line? No, there's a method sum, but let's just do it line by line. For item in cart, now shit, print item. Okay, good. It's not cart, it's bill. Sorry, that's why I have to stop it. Okay, let total equal to 0 first, and then for item in bill, we type it total equal to item plus equal to item dot ticket dot price, right? Okay, total. Then we're gonna make an object response equal to an object items equal to items. We already make it, define it. What else? One more, total equal to total. Alright, let's bring the response. Here you go. And you will set it to your Jinja file, and then you render it. Cool.
There's a way to write items equal to items, but in just one.
For object. No, yeah, that's not JavaScript. You cannot do that. And it has to be a string here.
Well, we need to do this when we're dealing with React, right?
You can do it with the. It's also work with the Jinja too.
Okay.
You're sending a variable called response. For example, you're sending post equal to post, right? Now you send data equal to response, and inside that you data.item, you render the list of data.items, and at the end you use data.total, you see the sum of everything. Okay, and then you can count the length of items to see all the number of items inside your bills, for example.
Remember, what you showed me, what about like JSONify? Where does that come into play? Is that just
JSONify is
doing this?
this is not a JSON file yet. JSON file means like it will take this object, dict, right? Translate into a string so that you can send it into HTTP. So you can do a JSON file here and then you can break it out. It's just an object, it's a dict in Python. And then you have to do something like this. Return JSON response. So your front end will receive a JSON file, right? So don't worry about this just yet. Worry about this one first, okay? As long as you can get this data, this information, this data, it's okay. Everything will be okay, right? I know it's confusing, yes.
Lots of practice.
Yeah, a lot about it. And
What are we gonna learn next week?
connect with the front end.
With reacting this.
Yes, how to connect the back end with the front end. And one more thing we will learn about the third party authentication. For example, with Facebook, with GitHub, Google, right? Okay.
So don't worry too much about front end.
Right now, don't worry about front end. Worry just about these text, these number and figures and text.
Way more important.
Yeah, that's why I told you don't spend too much time on your UI right now.
Yeah.
And also I prefer an app with more features, with functionalities, rather than like over a beautiful app. When I ask what can I do? Not yet, not that yet. I'm going to improve it later. No, that sounds like so weird, right? When you demo it. Okay. If you can say like, okay, I'm gonna improve on the UI later on, and here how it works right now. Not like, okay, I'm gonna implement this feature later, and then here's how my UI looks. Like,
I think that most people feel pretty confident they can build a good UI given enough time, but this stuff's definitely a lot. There's a lot of things.
yes, so a lot of practice.
So where do you write that function? You write it in order items, or you write in orders, or in ticket types?
No, this is just a class. These are just class. You don't write the controller here. You want to do it right here, inside the blueprint.
Okay.
I don't have any blueprint here. What the hell? It's weird. Okay, you should have blueprint here, and then you define on the controller here in controller. What I've done, most of what I've done inside your controller, inside your blueprint, right? I just show you how to do it on the terminal.
Yeah.
Right. That's it. Do you want to get a code here? Do you want to get the models here? What, like get the code?
Get the total, but
The code.
yeah.
Oh, you can. Do you need it? If you need it, I'm gonna post it to GitHub.
No.
Okay, that's okay, right? It's much more different from yours. Try to define as many methods inside the class as possible. Right? Define the methods inside the class. If it is about query, do it inside the class. Don't do it inside the controller, because you are gonna repeat the code many times.
Yes. So for example, you can define a method in order items, and you can say order items that get total,
Order item,
and the class order items,
the class order item, yeah.
and you can create like a method inside and say
yeah,
def get total,
yeah,
and then do all the operation,
yes,
and then so then you just when you need it you call other item that get total.
for
you
some
get that.
get total here. So we have all the other item. Okay, we go to get the total first. Total equal to 0. Okay, next we need a list, right? A list, let's say items. Okay, items equal to self. Okay, order items dot query dot filter by what, and then we get all of them.
Order ID.
Yeah, order ID. Order, nice man. Order ID equal, and now we have to pass an argument, right? Order ID, and what else? That's it, I think. Order ID here. One more. Complete. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Filter by order ID equal to order ID, get all of them, and then here you run a for loop. If we have a subquery, we should do we get the sum easily. We don't have to do a loop like this. But now I don't remember the syntax for a subquery inside a subquery. It's like nested query. For item in items, okay, total will be item dot ticket here dot price, right? That's it. Then we return total. So when you have wait, it should not be here. It should be here. Man, you deceive me. Right.
So you don't need that.
Yeah. You need this. You don't need this as well. You should need this filter by self.id. And here's ID. Okay. So we get the total for this order. For this order, not the other item. Right? It was the field. Okay. So you get the order using this method. What else? That's it. We have the user ID. For order, we have the user ID. We have the complete or not. We have the list of items. And we also have the column, a fact column, a virtual method called get total. It will return a total. So instead of doing things like this, right? Put it in here.
And for the response would be the same. Then
No. Respond here. You have to do it inside your controller. Don't do it in your model because respond doesn't have anything to do with the model.
okay.
Right? Nothing to do with the model. What else? Same with ticket price. No, ticket time. No. That's it. That's it. Right? So for rating here, alright, here. For the pause here, you also have a method like this. Also here you have a method like this, and then you get the total for that order. That's it. What else? What else do you want to ask? Too much, right?
So I'm not clear about the response in the real life. How do you create it? Where? In the terminal, but
in controller, for some in your route.
okay.
Inside your route, at the end of your route, right? You want to return a response. You don't return a template anymore. Now you return an object, a JSON file. Okay. One thing I want to add is that when you click on the purchase or checkout, right? Checkout complete the order. You have to change it complete here, the column here, from false to true to finish that order. Right. So that's always going to your maybe def. Make another method that finish. Alright, finish self. Okay, I'm gonna target self dot complete equal to true, and then db.session.commit. So when you click on finish the button, the order, right? Call this function, call this method, order.finish function, order.finish function. For example, here, order.finish function. Okay. Same thing here. Some order dot get total. Right. And here, what you want to see on your front end. Not this. Okay. Cool. That's it.